Are you thinking about starting a career in software testing but don't know where to begin? Hi, my name is Mikita Ganota. I'm a senior test analyst working in a software industry where I lead quality engineering projects and mentor testers. Over the years, I've seen so many beginners struggle with where to start in QA and automation. You can spend weeks, months, even years sometimes watching tutorials on YouTube, Udemy, or other platforms, and still feel stuck in the same place. The problem isn't that those tutorials are bad or low quality, is that they don't give you the full picture. If you're a beginner trying to land your first job in tech, or you already have some experience but still feel lost about what to do next, you don't just need random lessons. What you really need is a clear, step-by-step roadmap that guides you through the process, so by the end you're fully prepared for interviews and have a real chance at getting the first job offer. That's why I decided to write this book, to give you a clear, simple guide to breaking into software testing and building a strong career foundation. This book is now available on Amazon as an ebook and a paperback version. My book is called Software Testing Unlocked, a beginner's guide to QA and automation. I wrote it to make learning testing clear and practical, especially for beginners. Instead of endless theory, it gives you real examples, step-by-step explanation, and roadmap you can actually follow. Whether you've never tested before or you already know a little but don't see the full picture, this book will help you understand QA, automation basics, and how testing really works in real projects. People often ask me, what would you do if you had to start your career from scratch? That's exactly what I've put into this book, a clear, step-by-step approach with 20 chapters. Each chapter covers one step in the journey. In the end of every chapter, you will find a practical task that shows you exactly what to do next. This way, you're not just reading, you're actually moving forward with a guided plan. So what exactly will you get out of this book? First, you learn the fundamentals of QA and software testing in a way that's simple and easy to understand, even if you've never worked in tech before. Second, you'll actually practice with real-world examples. This is not just theory. You'll get hands-on experience on automation basics, so you can build a real skills that companies are looking for. Third, you'll get familiar with the tools and frameworks that testers use every day on real projects. That way, when you step into an interview or your first job, nothing will feel completely new. And finally, you'll get practical tips and strategies to prepare for interviews and increase your chances of landing your first testing job. The whole point of this book is not just to teach you concepts, it's to guide you step by step so you can confidently move from beginner to job-ready tester. If you're ready to start your journey in software testing, grab a copy of my book Software Testing Unlocked, a beginner's guide to QA and automation. It is available on Amazon worldwide in both ebook and paperback. The link is right in the description under this video. Check it out and take your first step toward building a career in QA and automation today. Let me know in the comments what part of software testing you want to learn about next. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and career tips. It was JNT Creator. I will see you in the next video. Bye.